Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween time, some beauty tutorials as I have today, and a little bit of DIY in between. Some of you watching may have already seen my Colourpop Festival Collection unboxing, I guess, and that is specifically how I made this look come to life. So if you guys want to see that one before this one or afterwards, I will link it in the down bar below. But if you guys just want to see this, no matter what makeup products it was made out of, then just keep watching. I'm starting out with my base already done, and I'm mixing both Instyler from Makeup Geek and Lay Low as my transition color. With Hop On, I'm adding some depth to my crease. And then blending it out with the same brush that I used with the transition color with what's left on the brush. I'm then mixing both Lay Low and Hop On together as my lid color. The opaqueness of the lid doesn't really matter too much as I'm going to be coming in with Moonlit, which is a supernova shadow from Colourpop. I'm tapping that on with the applicator it comes with and then blending it out a little bit with my finger. Next up, using Deja Vu, I'm putting that on my inner corner, both blending it up and into the pink, and also carrying it a little further outwards than I normally would, because I'm going to be blending formation with it next. And Backstage on the outermost corner. Marrying them all together with Instyler, blending that ish out. To add a little extra to Backstage and utilize all the colors, I'm also going to be using Baseline on my fingers, adding it a bit on top. Adding mascara, as always. And a dark blue eyeliner to my waterline. And lastly, the lips. As I got 3 from the collection, I decided on Come Up as the color for the day, and that is it. But that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next one. Bye guys!